Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Fetch.Ai, which I had to cover. It's been a while since I covered it. Just in general, I don't look at Fetch very often. I don't think I'm more focused on some smaller AI coins. Now, Fetch, what seems to be the case is that it's the best performer out of the entire AI sector. It probably will be the strongest performer, but just in general, I mean, there's enough smaller AI tokens which I do think have a lot of potential. There's a lot of scams as well, just to notify you, because a lot of money, what you see, and I'll show you some other statistics on that in a moment. But a lot of money, as you can see in the crypto market right now, is flowing into the more riskier investments, or at least the ones with a higher beta. And AI is that, so there's a lot of money there, so you get a lot of scams. That's just the way it works. But Fetch, at this moment, it used to be different, but it does seem like Fetch is the real crypto when it comes to AI. So in the meanwhile, and when there's no main developments for AI, I expect Fetch to sometimes be bullish, sometimes be bearish, but just in general be a normal crypto. But the moment that AI pops off again and we get some major news, you have to look at Fetch, all right? It will probably be the best performer, at least initially. But all right, that's the positivity about Fetch. What we saw in general yesterday, especially when the markets got very, very bullish. And I'll show you that in. No, I cannot show you actually. I thought I had all the AI cryptos on like one of these graphs, but I think you can still see it if you scroll back a little bit to yesterday. Meme coins obviously have performed very well as well, but if you look at all these, if you look at this before that flush hit right here, what you can see is that the best performers were really Fetch was here, WorldCoin was here. You can see that GRT was here, Ocean was very bullish. So those popped off yesterday, and that caused a lot of bullish momentum for Fetch. Broke above its previous stop at 1.2 and 1.25, flushed below that, but instantly got back to the same levels, which means Fetch is very strong right now. And in my eyes, I mean, on the daily time frame, we broke above the 3.618 fib around 1.25 as well. So purely technically, I mean, the thing is that the markets right now are a bit crazy. And I think most of you know that. The funding rates are ridiculously high. So that is true. So you should definitely be prepared for some sort of a big spike down. But at this moment, I don't see anything that's bearish with Fetch. The open interest, as you can see right here, which is reliable. The open interest right here is increasing. So we have momentum. We just got a major bullish breakout on the daily time frame. And Bitcoin is not bearish at this moment. So it makes no sense to be bearish on Fetch, all right? I think we're heading up to that next price target. Next price target is between 1.5 and 1.6. After that, it gets almost very hard to think of new price targets. It's probably $2 after that, around that level at least, right here. But can we get there, yes or no? It depends. At this moment, I think it's most likely Fetch will get up to 1.5 and 1.6, the next price target. But at that level, it depends on what the market does, all right? If Bitcoin is bearish when we hit that level, we're probably going to drop down and consolidate and then eventually get to $2. If the market stays bullish, at least. However, if we get to that level and the open interest keeps increasing, we could also break above that easily. Now, I think it's most likely that we will find some resistance, all right? So that we get up there, that we'll find resistance, drop down a bit, consolidate. And then, like I said, if the markets remain bullish, at some point of time, we're gaining momentum again, and we're up to 1.95. I think something like this at this moment is most likely. But it's really the main thing, and the key is to wait how it reacts to that level. That will tell us more. So I'll keep you updated on that if you're interested in that. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.